In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the portal name in Zoho Desk. Whether you're rebranding or just need to update your portal name, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process. So let's dive right in to make this quick and easy for you. First, you'll want to start from the Zoho Desk workspace. This is your main dashboard where all your customer support operations are managed. Once you're in the workspace, the next step is to head over to your settings. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon. It's usually located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Think of it as your central command center for making changes to configurations. Clicking this will open up a new set of options. Now, from the newly opened Settings menu, look for the Org tab. Click on Org, which will lead you to options concerning your organization's overall settings. Here's where you'll see an option named Rebranding. Selecting Rebranding will take you to the area where you can adjust your portal settings. Inside the Rebranding section, you'll find various options related to your organization's identity. Among them, you'll see an option called Portal Name. This is where you can make the change you're here for. Go ahead and click on Portal Name. Afterward, a new page will open, and you'll notice the current name displayed. To change it, find and click on the Edit button. This will allow you to enter a new name for your portal. You might want to use a name that reflects your current branding or a specific department to make things clearer for both your team and your customers. Once you've typed in your new portal name, look for the button that says Update and Refresh. This is an important step as it saves the changes you've just made. By clicking this, your new portal name becomes active. Finally, to ensure that your changes have been successfully implemented, take a moment to preview your work by clicking on Preview. This enables you to see exactly how the new portal name is displayed to your users. It's a great way to double-check that everything looks the way you want before closing out the task. And there you have it, a straightforward tutorial on changing your portal name in Zoho Desk. Remember, keeping your portal information up to date is key to maintaining a professional and organized appearance. Feel free to revisit these steps as needed, and thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.